you. Hi, Bev. Hi, Bev. Hey, grandson. Hey, how are you, Joe? How's the boy? Holy smokes.
Hey, Ron. Good job.
John.
That's fun, huh?
That was cool. Yeah.
You beat my
That was neat. What a trail. Mike, thank you.
Good job, guys.
Thank you. Thank you. Hey, Gunders. Hey, you guys. Way to go. Way to fucking run. Yeah. Holy shit. Yeah. Way to go. What a dog team. Holy smoke.
Did you have that pole out?
Yeah. Oh, you did so good. Oh, you did so good. Woo.
Good job, Ron.
Thank you. Thank you.
Wow. Second team coming.
Hey, hey.
Third team. Woo.
Oh. Hey, come back. Come on. So how many minutes was I off?
Maybe 10?
10?
How long you figure? 10?
For Richie.
Yeah.
Yeah, I tried to catch him. Didn't happen.
Anna Rose with KYEK. Can I do an interview with you?
You bet.
Okay, can you turn towards this way? Would be towards Ron, congratulations. So you took second
Thank you.
place at
Yeah,
Bogus
girl.
Creek 150. How
Yeah.
is it beating Pete?
Yeah, I beat Pete Kaiser. No, it was a great race. Really nice out. Trails, I don't know if we've ever had a better trail. Snow, soft trail, really nice.
And
There's the other one.
you said that you were racing to catch Richie. What
Well,
was
I
that
was
chase
just
like?
to see, if he was going to slow down. I just kind of kept rolling there. Half mile of each other or closer most of the race.
And was that the plan to stay together?
Yeah, pretty much. Till the end, just see how it plays out.
And then was the plan to actually race at the end, say, okay.
To race him?
Mm-hmm.
No, not really. To try and, we were trying to win. And, but to like race each other, not necessarily. He gave me what you might call the A-team of these 20 dogs that we just raced. He gave me a little faster bunch.
Oh yeah? How was that racing with the A-team of Pete
It was
Kaiser?
awesome. Oh my God, it was crazy. Really good dogs.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Do you have any particular dog that stood out?
Oh, let's see. There's a leader right there, that little black and white one is Sky. I think she's actually back there. Yeah, real fantastic leader. I mean, they're all really super experienced dogs. A lot of Iditarod finishers, some Iditarod champions in there. Yeah.
Pretty awesome
Super
running
nice.
with your son, huh? In a race.
It was. It really was.
I mean, that's something that
yeah.
most people don't get to do.
No, had a great time.
And have you raced in a race with Pete before?
Not a race like this, no.
Yeah.
50 milers, but not this.
Yeah.
No, never in the Bogus.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah.
Very special.
Cool. Thank you.
Well, Ron, congratulations.
Thank you so much.